students, in this lecture I am going to discuss a new topic students. Write down Newton's backward interpolation formula. Newton's backward interpolation formula. Right, students, we always find y value, students, at a particular point x, so y is equal to f of x, that is equal to yn plus p into del yn plus p into p plus 1 by 2 factorial into del square yn plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 by 3 factorial into del cube yn plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 into p plus 3 divided by 4 factorial into del power 4 yn plus and so on. This is Newton's backward interpolation formula. Once again, students, y is equal to f of x. We are finding y value at the point x. Yn. What is yn, students, here? What is yn? Suppose if I draw a table here like this is x and this is y. If I write here 1 or 5, 2, 10, 3, 15 like this, students. Like this. Now here we have yn, students. So yn means this is y0, students. The initial point, first point is y0, students. Whatsoever the last value is yn, students. The last value is yn. Okay, students, are you understand here? Once again, yn we have. So the initial value is, the first value is y0, students. Whatsoever the last value is, it is yn. It is yn. Okay. Plus p. What is p, students, here? P, that is equal to x minus xn by h, students. What is p? X minus xn by h. Okay. Right. What is x? Given the value, students, what are we going to find? So xn, students. What is xn there? Come on, tell me, students. What is xn? Xn, the initial value is x0 and the final value is xn, students. Okay, students. Initial value is, first value is x0 and the final value is xn, students. Okay, students. Xn. What is h, students? H is differencing of the interval. Differencing of the interval, students. Differencing of the interval. Right. This is about p, students. And then we have del yn. Del yn, students. Here also we are using forward iteration table, students. Forward table. Okay. You find the values as it is. You find in Newton's forward interpolation, students. Forward interpolation. There, the upper values are del y0, del square y0, del cube y0, students. The lower values, students, the table lower values. Okay, students, table lower values are taking yn, del square yn, del cube yn, del power 4yn, etc., students. Let us see in the table, students. Right. And then plus p into p plus 1 by 2 factorial into del square yn. Okay, plus p into p plus 1, p plus 2 by 3 factorial into del cube yn. Plus p into p plus 1, p plus 2 into p plus 3 by 4 factorial into del power 4 yn plus and so on, students. This is Newton's backward interpolation formula. Let us see the problem on Newton's backward interpolation. Write in the problem, students. From the following table of half yearly premium for policies. For students, premium for policies at different ages. Given different ages, students here. X, so the ages is X here. What is the age, students here? 45, 50, 55, 60 and 65. Estimate the premium for policies at the age of 63. What you mentioned, students? Estimate the premium for policies at the age of 63. See, here is 63, students. Now, I observe X, age is X, students here. This is X. Where is 63, students? 63, S here. 63 is lies between 60 and 65, students. 60 and 65. Okay? So, the value is lies between 60 and 65, students. Right. He doesn't mention use Newton's forward or backward, students. The problem doesn't mention Newton's forward or backward. Okay. Now, whenever you observe or you find a value, it lies lower cases, okay, below the values. There we are applying Newton's backward, students. Newton's backward. When we are finding the value above the values here, then we are applying Newton's forward. Once again, students, whenever we find the values above the values, see here, nearer to top values, then we are applying Newton's forward. When it is we are finding the values at lower cases, we are applying Newton's backward. Newton's backward. Some cases, what happens, students? He given value here, suppose for example here, says using forward interpolation or Newton's backward interpolation. So whatsoever method he mentioned in the problem, you follow the procedure. You adopt that method. You adopt that method. Otherwise, questions. Otherwise, whenever you observe the value at lower cases, Newton's backward. Upper cases, Newton's forward. Newton's forward. First step, as you always write, formula, students. Formula. Okay, and then draw the table, students. Let us see the table. First value is always X. The second value, students, second value is always Y. Y. Third value, students, del Y. Del Y. Fourth value, del square Y. Del Q value. And then del power 4 value. Del power 4 Y value. Now, what is X value, students here? X value 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. So, right, students, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 65. What is our, students? 114.8, 96.16, 83.39, 74.48, 68.48, 68.48, students. Now, what is forward interpolation formula, students? Just we are finding here del y naught. What is del y naught, students? Del y naught, that is equal to y1 minus y naught, students. This is forward table, students. Right? You first of all find the forward table, students, and then take the values from below. So this is xn, students. This is yn. Whenever you find this value, lower value, so the lower value is here, students, del yn. Okay, students, are you understand here? Right. Del y naught means, students, y1 minus y naught. That means 96.16 minus 114.8. So use the calculator, students. 96.16 minus 114.8, that is equal, we get here minus 18.64, and then 83.39 minus 96.16, 83.39 minus 96.16, that is equal to minus 12.77. Then 74 point, do it students, 74.48 minus 83.39, that is equal to minus 8.91. 68.48 minus 74.48 minus 6. So what is the del yn value students? Minus 6. Now del square y naught. Again you subtract minus 18.64 from minus 12.77 students. So minus 12.77 minus in minus plus students, plus 18.64, that is equal to get here 5.87. Now minus 8.91, again minus in minus plus students, 12.77, 3.86, then minus 6, minus in minus plus here, 8.91, that is equal to 2.91 students. Now this 2.91 students, exactly del square y n. Now del q y naught student, del square y1 minus del square y naught, so 3.86 minus 5.87, so 3.86 minus 5.87 minus 2.01 students, 2.01, then 2.91 minus 3.86, that is equal to minus 0.95. Now this 0.9 minus 0.95 students, del q yn, this value is del q yn. Now minus 0.95 minus plus students, plus 2.01, that is equal to get here 1.06 students, 1.06. This value is del power 4 by. Now what is h students here? What is h? H difference in students, 45, 50, difference is 5, 50, 55, difference is 5, so h value students 5. Now p value students, p is equal to x. What is x students? X is 63 minus xn. What is xn students? Xn is 65 divided by h is 5, so that is equal to minus 2 by 5 students. Minus 2 by 5 means minus 0.4, minus 0.4. Now we are finding y value students, y, that is equal to f of the value students 63, so that is equal to yn students. What is yn? 68.48 plus p is minus 0.4 into del yn is minus 6 plus p into p plus 1. P is students, minus 0.4 p plus 1 minus 4 plus 1 students, we get here 0.6 divided by 2 factorial means 2. Del square y students, del square y 2.91 plus minus 0.4, 0.6 up to here common students. The extra term is p plus 2 minus 0.4 plus 2 students, that means we get 1.6 by 3 factorial students, 3 factorial is 6. Del q y is minus 0.95 plus plus up to third term count students minus 0.4, 0.6, 1.6. P plus 3 students, P plus 3. P plus 3 means here P is minus 0.4 plus 2 plus 3. We get here 2.6 divided by 4 factorial. 4 factorial means here 3 factorial means 6. 6 into 4, 24. Into del power 4 yn. Del power 4 yn. So 1.06 students. 1.06. That is equal. All the value you calculate in the, you operate in the calculator students. Calculator. Come on, do it students. What is first value? 68.48. 68.48 plus minus into minus plus students plus 0.4 into 6 students plus 3 students here plus into minus minus. So the value is minus students. Minus. You write these three terms in the bracket students. So put bracket. First value students 0.4 into 0.6 into 2.91 bracket close divided by 2 plus. So students minus into minus plus. So plus. We write all the 4 values in the bracket students. So again bracket starts 0.4 into 0.6 into 1.6 into 0.95 bracket close divided by 6 students divided by 6. Again here minus 6 students, minus into plus minus, so minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 values put in the bracket students. Bracket 0.4 plus into 0.6 into 1.6 into 2.6 into 1.06 bracket close divided by 24 students. That is equal, we get here 70.55. 70.55. What is 70.55 students? At the age of 63, the premium is students 70.55. 70.55. Right students? Now we can check this students. We can check this value. How we check students here? See. At the age of 60, 74.48 students. At the age of 65, 68.48 students. So there is some, the value is decreasing students. So 63 means between 60 and 65. That means the value is 70 between 74 and 68 students. So we have 70. So our value is right students. Our value is correct. Right. Let us see the another problem students. Write down the another problem students. Write down estimate the population in 1925 using appropriate interpolation. X is year students given 1891, 1901, 1911, 1921, 1931. Y is population 1000 students 46, 66, 81, 93, 101. 93, 101. See students what he says, using appropriate interpolation. Now see students, what is the year 1925 students? Where lies 1925? Between 1921 and 1931 students. Here. So whenever we are finding the value is here, we are applying, how many times students? Newton's backward interpolation. What students? Newton's backward interpolation. Right? We know the statement students. Newton's backward interpolation. So you write down always the first step as formula. Now draw the table students. Solution x, y. X, y. What is x students? 18, 91, 1901, 1911, 1921, 1931. So y 46, 66, 81, 93, 101. 101. So how many values are there, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means up to del power 4 y, students. Del power 4 y. So del y, del square y, del cube y, del power 4 y, del power 4 y. Now, if this is x naught, students, this is xn, this is y naught, and this is yn. Now, whenever you find the upper value is del y naught, lower value, students, del yn. Here upper value is del square y naught, lower value is del square yn. Upper value is del cube y naught, lower value is del cube yn. Here the value is del power 4 yn, student, del power 4 yn. So how can you get del y naught, students? Y1 minus y2. So 66 minus 46, students, 20. Now 81, 66, students, 81, 66, 4, 70, 15, students, 15, 93, 81, 2, 1, 12, 101, 93, students, 8. Del square y naught, students, 15 minus 20 minus 5, 12 minus 15 minus 3, 8 minus 12 minus 4. Here minus 3 plus 5, 2, minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, minus 3, students. Now y is equal, we are finding f of which year, students? 1925. 1925. That is equal to y, students. What is yn? 101. 101 plus p. That forgetting find p value, students. What is h here, students? H is 1891 minus 1901, students. So 10. The difference is 10, students. What is p value, students? Here p value x is 1925 minus xn value. Xn value is 1931 divided by h value is 10, students. So that is equal to, I think, 6 minus 6 by 10. Minus 6 by 10. So that is equal to minus 0.6, students. Minus 0.6. So p value is minus 0.6 into del yn. Del yn is 8 plus p. Again p is minus 0.6. P plus 1, students. Minus 0.6 plus 1. So we get here 0.4 divided by 2. Del square yn, students. Del square yn minus 4. Minus 4 plus minus 0.6. 0.4 is common, students. Common. So p plus 2. P plus 2 means get here 1.4 divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 6 into del cube yn. Del cube yn is minus 1 plus minus 0.6, 0.4, 1.4 up to common here, students. So here minus 0.6 plus 3, that means 2.4. 2.4 divided by 4 factorials. This is 4 factorial, students. So 6 into 4, 24. Del power 4 y, student, minus 3. Minus 3. So that is equal to, you always calculate this value in the calculator, students. So 101 plus, here minus, plus and minus, minus, students. So minus 0.6 into 8, minus and minus plus 0.6 into, bracket 0.6 into 0.4 into 4, bracket close, divided by 2. Again minus and minus plus, students. So plus, again put bracket 0.6 into 0.4 into 1.4 into 1, student. There is no need to multiply. So bracket close, divided by 6, students. 6. Again minus and minus plus, students. Plus, again bracket starts. You write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms in the bracket, students. So 0.6 into 0.4 into 1.4 into 2.4 into 3 bracket close divided by 24, that is equal to, we get here 96.84. What students? 96.84. Okay students, this is the 96,080.84. This is the population in the year 1925 students. 1925. We can check the students. See here, we are finding the value 1925 is between 1921 to 1931 students. Here we have 93 and 101 students. The value is between 93 and 101. So we have 96.84. So between students. So our value is right, correct. Okay students, in this way we are checking the answer. Okay students, hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.